Okay, today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the different types of bows that we manufacture. There's multiple fabric options and each one kind of has a special benefit to it. So first we're going to start with the velvet bows. These are just such a classic material and bow. Everybody loves a velvet. The special thing about our bows is they do have a thicker backing compared to import bows. So these are a 4mm thick backing versus a 3mm, which is out on the market. So this makes it a lot more resistant to tearing and just makes it a much more durable product. We offer it in two different colors. We have it in a holiday red, which is a little bit darker, and then we have just a red velvet. It's available in multiple sizes. You can have trim on it as well. And this normally lasts around 2 to 5 years. So it's a great option. Next we have our Altura line. This is our #1 seller by far. This is made out of a extremely durable outdoor material. It has a much higher tear resistance. It's extremely durable. These normally we say 5 to 7 years, so they last a lot longer. This is Altura China Reds. This is the only color we offer. It comes in multiple custom colors if you want. Also you can have with trim and not. And this one is a little bit more expensive than some of the others, but when you calculate the years that you get to use it versus having to replace with some of the other fabrics, this one is much more cost effective over the years. Moving right along, we have our nylon bows. So we offer this one in two different colors, and this one is definitely one of our more versatile ones. It can be used in a lot of different applications. This one does not last as long as maybe the Altura. It's not as durable to withstand fading, but this one is a great option for certain price points, and it lasts about 2 to 5 years. And then lastly, we have our Mylar bows. This is actually a rose gold, but we offer them in gold and silver, and I believe a red as well. This one is really great in just catching the light and giving you kind of the sparkling effect. So that's really why customers choose this bow. This one again is about 2 to 5 years in lifespan, so pretty consistent with the others other than the Altura. So as far as sizing goes that we offer, they start out at a 12-inch and they go 12-inch, 18-inch, 24-inch, and 36-inch. Those are available in 4-loop as well as 2-loop. Once you get up to 48-inch, we move to a steel frame bow, and then from there it really can go to whatever size you need it to be. The larger ones, the steel frame just gives added support to keep it from flopping around. So we have a lot of times people ask us what size bow they need. So the general rule of thumb is whatever diameter your wreath is, you have that for the size of the bow. So for instance, if you have a 24-inch wreath, you go for a 12-inch bow, 36-inch wreath, you go for an 18-inch bow. So when you get our bows in, they will come in a bag and they will be bunched up like this. So when you get them out, open it up and you push in the loops. They all have wire frames, so they move really easily. Push them in. And then you get the tails and you kind of bend them up to make them not look so straight. And voila, the perfectly fluffed bow. So when you get your wreath or your garland or whatever you're attaching the bow to, you turn it around, open up the wires, and then you just wrap them around the wreath and it will attach.
So aside from all of our fabric bows that we do, we also manufacture a number of aluminum frame bows. These go on the side of buildings or really any other application that the customer may need. This particular bow is finished in a garland. We also have them finished in solar ray. So all of these bows are finished in a variety of different colors. You have a choice between regular lights or twinkling effect lights. They can also be warm white and cool white or color lights. As you see here, this one is a red and gold bow that is going to go on the side of a building. All of the ribbons are done in certain size panels and then they attach directly to the building. The aluminum frame bows, they can